Okay, page 7, number 6 uses both the note G and the note A. G is on the second space, A is on the second line. Count the rhythm for number 6. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Do it again, but this time say the names of the notes. As you say the names, do the fingerings. Left hand on top, starts with fingering for G. 2, ready, go. G, 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 A, 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 G. Okay, play it the way you said it. Play it the way you say it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. That's the end. Rewind it and play it over again several times.